Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Instagram edits, Stranger Things font. So let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to simply go ahead and open my Instagram edits application and simply go ahead and load up a project. Let's just say this one. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on the text or a icon right over here. Once you've done that, you can write whatever you want. I'm going to write Stranger Things for now. Just like that. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and scroll on your font option right over here until you find the Stranger Things option. So we are on A, B, C, D. I'm just going to go all the way down to S. All right, and it is about time that you will find the Stranger Things font right over here on the application. So it was limited for a while, so you might have it or you might not have it. But if you have it, you can simply go ahead and find it right over here. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.